Get out of the car. Hey, get out of the car. You're on camera. Get out of the car.
I know. I don't even know what it is. I want to be safe. Safe.
Get out. Shoot, man.
So I just turned 40 years old, and I just moved into my own apartment for the first time in 9 years. And it costs $2,000 per month because I live in Hawaii. You know, I'm an Uber driver, so I gotta go work. And so I worked last night on St. Patrick's Day, and I'm waiting for a passenger in front of the bar, and a huge fight breaks out. And in the middle of this fight, when I'm trying to film it, a blackout drunk guy happens to jump in the back of my seat. So I'm really trying to, you know, get some cinematic shots of this fight, make sure they're not damaging my car. If they do, I'll film it for evidence. But my main concern is this dude behind me, because I realize that's not my passenger. This is definitely some blackout drunk dude. And the passenger was a girl's name, and this was a guy, of course. So that's my main priority is, you know, I have a threat behind me and I gotta focus on this guy. So I start turning my camera towards him.
Can you get out, please? Hey, can you get out? Get out of the car.
I don't even know what it is. I want to be safe.
Can you get out, please?
Can you record?
Get out of the car.
Yeah.
Get out of the car. Hey, get out of the car.
I'm safe. Safe.
You're on camera. Get out of the car.
I know. Shut up. What the fuck? Safe.
Get out.
This dude does not want to leave. I tell him to leave and he says, I'm safe here, or something like that. He even insults me and says, you're weird.
Hey man, you're weird, bro.
Get out.
Okay. Weird.
Close the door.
Hey, 10 minutes away.
Close the door.
I mean, there were bodies slamming up against my window and my mirror while this guy is trying to talk to me in the back seat and not leave. Finally, he gets out, and then I get out.
You okay? You okay?
The fight is pretty much over. For some reason, I was checking for bodies on the ground. I don't know why. I guess I was just thinking of the worst case scenario. And before I get around the car, I see this Asian dude that got into this brawl, and he's got blood on his mouth and he's spitting blood, and there's blood on his shoe. And at first I thought he was talking to me in some kind of Asian language, but it turns out that I think he was saying, how's your car? And I didn't realize, but I should have talked to him more. I kind of ignored him. I just was like, okay, this dude's all right. He probably got clocked in the face, a good one. I told him, hey, there's blood on your shoe.
You got blood on your shoe, man. You got blood.
And I walk around to the car, and that same blackout drunk dude is leaning up against my car.
Hey, bro. Back off the car. Bro, back up. Hey, man. I'm gonna drive away. I don't want to run you over. Just back up. Go on the sidewalk.
But finally he backs away and I can drive away safely. Then I actually find my real passengers, these two girls, nice girls, pick them up. I tell them what happened. I even showed them the video before I dropped them off.
Get out.
All he can say is safe.
You're weird, bro. Get out.
He said, I'm being weird. It's like, you're being weird, bro. I was like, that's it.
Wow, that's
And then I was looking for you two after that.
crazy night, huh?
Crazy, yeah.
Crazy St. Patty's.
Alrighty.
Well, I'm glad your car is not damaged. Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
All right.
Stay safe out there.
Have a good night.
They were cool. Now I'm friends with them. And actually the person that I first went to the bar with, I actually became friends with him too because he's friends of a friend. I made like 3 friends that night, which is the silver lining of the story. But it made me think, like, Uber driving, man, I thought about it. It's a dead-end job. Autonomous vehicles are gonna take over in 20 years and they're gonna replace human drivers. So I only got about 20 years left. But could I even do this for 20 more years? And I was really thinking about it. And you know what? I've worked so many jobs in my lifetime, you know, because I think what I did was I gave up on my dreams. My dream was to be a professional skateboarder when I was in high school. And I got pretty good at it, but not good enough to get sponsored. And after that failed, tried acting a little bit, dabbled with it, did some short films for some friends, and did some extra work on some TV sets, Lost, Hawaii Five-0, Rescue Hawaii Surf. Just recently I went on a movie for the first time with Jason Momoa and Bautista for The Wrecking Crew. But you know, I never really took it serious ever, and I never took any acting lessons or anything like that. So what I did from age 15 to 40 is work a whole bunch of odd jobs. I was a paper route delivery boy, dishwasher, a kitchen cook. I worked in a movie theater. I worked retail. I worked fast food. I worked on a golf course. I became a busser at a restaurant and a server for 7 years. And then I was doing Uber and Lyft on the side after getting off of these restaurant shifts from the Cheesecake Factory and realizing, wow, this is pretty fun. And ended up doing it for 7 years. And now that I think about it, it's my favorite job of all those jobs. I enjoy the freedom, making my own schedule, pretty much being my own boss, meeting all types of characters. And I'm a night owl, and I drive at night a lot, and you know, this fight thing was kind of stressful, but I gotta admit, it was kind of interesting. I just got lucky that I didn't get injured or scrambled up in that fight. But yeah, let's talk about this more as I walk outside. Job is pretty dangerous. Driving in general is pretty dangerous. So anybody that does rideshare today or gig apps, how long do you guys plan to do it for? And what is your exit strategy? It's time for a new life. It's time for me to have my own place and work on my YouTube channel, which actually is my new dream, to be honest. I'm an Uber driver. That's my job. That's what pays the bills. But what I have a lot of fulfillment in is my YouTube channel. I'll be making more videos like this. I make a wide range of variety of videos. I have reaction videos, I have car product reviews, I have car fixed it up videos. I fix up my hybrids, my Prius and my CRV hybrid.